How to hide Instagram following and followers list. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to hide the Instagram following and followers list, first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Next, launch your Instagram application and make sure you're logged into your account over here. So just launch the Instagram application, and here what you simply need to do is tap on your profile. Now make sure that your profile is personal account over here and not a business account. So when you do that, you can simply tap on the three hamburgers icon at the top right corner of the screen and then scroll down and tap on the option of account privacy over here. So tap on account privacy and then make sure you toggle on the option for private account. So when you do that, you'll be able to switch to your private account, and then only your followers will be able to see your following and followers list. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.